National winner Belgium Old Birds, Speliers Pauline, Herne. The Belgian national winner of Argenton won in the Old category is Speliers Pauline, Herne. The pigeon was found clocked on Saturday at 12:29 Central European Summer Time after a flight of 492.337 kilometers, with an average speed of 1,315.41 meter per minute. With a pigeon at 13.29.17 hour for 492.337 kilometers and at 1,315.41 meter per minute, she becomes the national winner against 20,467 old birds. It is the first time in a father and daughter career that they have a national victory on their record. They also won the first provincial Flemish Brabant against 2,527 old birds. Pauline and Bart had 10 old and 26-year-old in the hive for Argenton. It is the 8th signed old pigeon that takes care of the national victory. Father Bart and daughter Pauline Speliers love the pigeon sport hand in hand. Capturing the national victory meant glowing faces in Herne. It was their 3-year-old hen B19-21325563 swiftly renamed as Pauline 1 that won the national victory contra 20,467 old birds, surpassing the pigeons of Dupius Amont, Pheromont, 1,292.98 meter per minute, and Van de Put Rudy, Limburg, 1,285.43 meter per minute. When asked if the national winner was particularly motivated, Bart answered that he had attempted something different during the basketing. Normally, the hens, which are played with a couple that stays at home, get their cocks on the day of basketing and they can fondle each other. But now I came to do it differently, and when the hens were already in the basket, 5 cocks were let go on the loft. Apparently, the extreme motivation for Pauline 1 to go to the utmost. Pauline 1 is a middle-class hen, well-built, plumed and had a pair of splendid wings on her muscular body. Pauline and Bart launched the new season with a batch of 18 widowers and 20 hens. Both groups are played on pure widowhood, so with a partner who stays at home. No winter or early breeding for the racers. They choose to save all vigor for the racing season. Only after the season are the racers permitted to raise a round of youngsters. The hens live in a section that can be split up perfectly into 2 parts by panels. During the week, the hens are sitting in the front part of the loft on a dashboard, and when the minute of basketing comes, the panels are taken away and they can mount in their boxes. Feeding is done in many places from light to heavy. Therefore, we work with protein-poor mixtures, Jerry Plus and Vandenabele, and when the basketing date approaches, we feed them with sport and energy mixtures. As far as byproducts are concerned, sleep sand is used weekly in eye drops, vitamins and turbo disinfect by Travapharma are used. On the medical front, the medicine cabinet is kept as closed as possible and, apart from the compulsory inoculations, Bart tries to avoid antibiotics. This season, this system was also used, but because the pigeons flew easily per 10 but not in the top 10, it was decided to treat them a few days before Argenton.